had a few minutes to dry. So I'm going to just put in some texture paste in the bottom here, just to kind of give it some snowy ground. Fill in any holes down below the die cuts. Once I have all this texture paste in place, I'm going to put some of the same glitter that we used on top of our die cuts to make it a little sparkly snowy. Just going to tie everything all in together. And my initial laying down of the texture paste, I'm not super careful. I'm just getting it all in there as much as I want. And then I'll take my knife here and I'll smooth it out. Kind of make it a little bit smoother like snow. I'm not necessarily wanting it completely smooth. That's not the look that I am going for. I like a little bit of texture in there, but I don't necessarily want it super textured. Right, that is good enough. Make sure to close your bottle so that it doesn't all dry out. And then while that texture paste is wet, I'm going to pour glitter on top of it. Tap off the excess. There we go. Put the excess of the glitter back in my container here. Alright, and I will let that dry. There's a little bit of glitter that is stuck to some wet texture paste on the side of the frame, but I will wait for that to dry and then I will take a stiff brush and brush that off. I have some of that double-sided tape on the back of my battery pack, and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of the frame with the double-sided tape. Make sure to put the double-sided tape on the side opposite the cover to your batteries because you want to make sure that you can change your batteries. I'm leaving the cord as is. You could put a piece of cardstock on top of here to cover it if you want, but it's going to be a little bit bumpy because there is some bulk to this cord. Or you can take some like navy tape or whatever, something that kind of matches, and cover it, but I'm going to leave it as is. And there is our finished project. One second, gotta get the right side for the lights. Here we are, all lit up. Isn't that cute? So cute. And there's the non-lit one. Like I said, neither one is right or wrong. It's personal preference, whatever you like. But I like the addition of the little bits of light in there, and I like the little bit of reflectiveness from the northern lights as well.